Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular updates, here I kept my Telegram group as well as a Facebook group link in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video, we are going to see the candidates who are not eligible to apply for the UGC in December 2020 cycle. That is, the exam is going to happen in May 2021 exam. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So the candidates not eligible to apply for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle means. So personally, I faced a few situations and I got few comments that few candidates couldn't able to proceed the application form based upon the PG pursued college. So I got few comments based upon that one. So here I want to just tell you only one thing that the colleges, that means you did the undergraduation or the post graduation, so check down whether they are properly AICTE recognized or the UGC recognized colleges or not. So for that purpose, here I bring up with some few list that is updated list in 2021, the list of the fake universities which are not recognized by the University Grants Commission. So just check that list here guys. So you can observe here the list of fake universities in India 2021. The state-wise data is provided here, so you may check down. So coming to the Bihar, Maithili University, and coming to the Delhi, Vishwakarma Open University for Self-Employment and Commercial University, and United Nations University, Vocational University, ADR Centric Judicial University, and Indian Institution of Science and Engineering, and Adhyatmik Vishwavidyalaya, Spiritual University in Delhi. And coming to the Karnataka, Badaganvi Sarkar World Open University Education Society, and Kerala St. John's University, and Odisha, so Navabharat Shiksha Parishad and North Orissa University of Agriculture and Technology, and in Maharashtra Raja Arabic University and Puducherry Sri Bodhi Academy of Higher Education, and in West Bengal Indian Institute of Alternative Medicine and Institute of Alternative Medicine and Research, and in Uttar Pradesh Mahila Gram Vidyapith and Gandhi Hindi Vidyapith and National University of Electro-Complex Homeopathy, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose University Open University, and Uttar Pradesh Vishwavidyalaya, Maharana Pratap Shiksha Niketan Vishwavidyalaya, and Indraprastha Shiksha Parishad, and next one is Varanasi Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya. So all these are the list of the fake universities guys, and apart from this one, the two more colleges also mentioned here, the Varanasi Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya Delhi and Kersarvani Vidyapith Jabalpur Madhya Pradesh. So apart from this one, here we are having the 279 technical institutions under the AICTE are also not approved by the AICTE. 279 technical institutes are not approved by the AICTE. So please check down this list guys. So the candidates who belongs to this one, that means who did the post graduation or else graduation in this one, so just check down the list, then it is completely invalid certificate as per the update given by the University Grants Commission. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And the candidates who wants the more notifications, then please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.